So if you are also facing ss06 device band issue in Snapchat, then let us know how you can fix it eventually. So first of all, let us know why this issue occurs. According to Snapchat, when you repeatedly violate any guideline from your Snapchat account, then in such a case Snapchat bans your device, and when you try to log into your account or create a new account, then you face this device band issue. To fix this, follow these steps. First of all, delete your Snapchat application and install it again. Use a different internet connection and try to log into your Snapchat account. If you still face this issue, use your Snapchat account on a new device for a week, and after 1 week, log into your new device. This will fix the device ban issue and your account will remain active. If you have any questions, comment, like this video and subscribe to channel.